Robert Bolick and Coach Joey Chikoff. And next, Coach, I'll start with you. Going back to the fourth quarter, kung saan nagkaroon ng run yung Terra Firma, what can you say about how your players weathered that run and just remain composure executed towards the down the stretch?
Why do they have to weather the storm? They were already up by, they would control the game. Why do they have to put themselves in that situation? Right? So we gave up 55 points in the second half. So they put themselves in that situation. It's good, yes, they weathered the storm, but there should have not been a storm. So,
Coach, going to practice tomorrow, what are some of the things that will be point of emphasis, especially again with how this game turned out tonight?
well, a lot, because we will be playing San Miguel and Ginebra in the next game. So we can probably get away with some mistakes, but we can't get away with those mistakes if we play San Miguel and Ginebra in the next two games.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Robert Bolick, back-to-back wins, back-to-back best player of the game honors. But it's not like you are taking all the scoring load. Maganda yung contribution ng teammates mo, and at the same time, nandun yung mga assists mo. How are you able to balance all these aspects of the game?
Siyempre masaya, daming contribution sa locals, pero yung import talaga namin nag-dominate sa ilalim, kaya kami na libre, and masaya ako sa output ngayon kasi konti lang yung tinira ko pero efficient. Yun yung gusto kong mangyari sa laro ko in the coming conference. Yung di masyado madami pero efficient lang. Pick your good spots lang. So.
We're now ready to entertain questions from the media.
Coach, what can you say about yung na-mention mo na si Watkins yung earlier import? How do you like the game? Kasi you had an import change, and then you had to find an import. Ano masabi mo sa...
Yeah, he gives us what we need. Yun. He gives us what we need. He's got 30 rebounds. I don't know how many points. Ilang puntos ba siya? 26, 30 rebounds. So, yun yung kailangan namin. So, yeah, he just, yeah, basta yun ang type ng import na kailangan namin. So, yeah, yung unang import, hindi nga dumating, so siya yung naging available, so he's doing naman his job.
Pero before Ed Davis, nasa radar nyo na ba siya? Or...
I don't remember, we had a lot of names eh. I just, hindi ko lang ma-recall. Pero hindi ko lang talaga ma-recall kung sino-sino na yung mga yun. So, wala na senior moments na ako, hindi ko na alam eh. He performed naman very well today, no. Gusto lang namin siya i-break in. And I think despite the long absence, maganda naman yung pinakita niya ngayon. So when he gets to play more minutes, and then we'll see how makakalaro naman si Robert at saka sa together. So, but for now, hindi pa yun ang target.
Robert, anong meron na si Erin makapalit na yun na parang hindi pa yata kayo sasama sa court yun?
Siyempre, yun nga, galing din ako doon eh. So, alam ko yung naramdaman niya na tama yung ginagawa ni Coach. Yung break-in lang muna, tingnan lang muna kung yung feel niya sa laro. Kasi iba yung practice, iba yung game. So, matagal na namin siya inintay, and masaya kami sa team na bumalik na siya, sa mga veterano namin sa team. So, malaki yung expectation namin sa kanya. So, di bale, si Coach na bahala niyan pag
Okay, that wraps up our post-game press conference. Thank you.